Show Buffet. Welcome to another beautiful, fun, and exciting episode of Cast and Sentless. And I mean, as good, beautiful, great fun, to Nkupi the entertainer. Today it's a great day, beautiful day. The weather is sunny, although it was raining the previous days. No problem. Thank you, God, for the rain. It has come to my attention that people in the comments are telling me that they need to see my car inside. So I'm gonna do exactly that. And hardy man, I thought I sorted that part out. Hardy. But now I'm not where the car is. Let me finish up the side. I'm in the same place but not the same area. Place, not the same area. So let me finish up what I'm doing here, and I'm gonna show you all that you need to see when I get to the car. Let's do this. Yeah, now that we are here, we are going to start. So, bag of mine, important bag of work. We are going to start here. Oh, we still have a puncture. Tell me, where can I get second-hand 14-inch tire, guys? I need it. My car can't look like this. I want my car to go back to looking nice like that. This is a spare wheel to help you when you're stuck, not to drive with, go around, no. Now, I'm going to start. First of all, we are gonna start here. We are going to start here. To start here. Ever since I got this car, right, it came here with a 95. I added 3.5, 3,000 kilometers added by me. So we are like this inside. The interior, it's like the same as remember the previous Polo I had? Polo. Yeah, the interior is the same as Polo. I can confirm that. They should be the same, because get the Bojua, man. Get the Bojua. Looking all nice and clean. All sorts of good. Bojua steering. You know the drill, guys. You know the drill. So this is the situation. Compartments. Guys, you know how a Polo view is. I basically just show you how clean mine is. because you know how a Polo is, that's why. So what is this food blocking you here now? Okay, yeah. I use the aircon stuff. They're always on mild, and I'm having that luxury of have the luxury of there's this boy that I know likes to play with these things so much. I mean, I don't know what causes. Why doesn't it tell me the time? What does this one do? What is this? Before I even start raining things, I don't know why. Where is the time? Maybe it wants me to start the car and drive. Okay, I'm still showing people. Oh, this is our modus operandi. Hey, why am I opening the one at the back? I'm not used to it. All right. Why is this thing making noise after it? Open my window. This thing. And this is my car where I put my stuff. Hey, you see a car with this book? You must know. There, you got a jam. You see a car with this book? Man, can I read a bag? I don't know. I'll never need to use those. Oh, okay. Okay. Hey. Kabook. Okay, this book one day I'll read. I'll seriously read it one day. Because I'm getting interested and now I'm in the middle of a vlog. And the vlog is not about the book. Yeah. That's auto. That's auto. What have I done now? The book is not about dust auto. Put back my cables. Charging an aux. Okay. Yeah, man, my roof lining is... spotless. What do I need to show you? The interior itself. The interior itself is like this. Leather manaka. Leather. Leather is a feeling big. Do you see the leather? It came like this, guys. There's not even a single thing that I've changed on this car. This car is still OEM. It OEM'd like this. Let me go open up. No way. The mess that is in here. Wait, guys, let me remove this mess first. I'll come back and show you. Let me go take the laundry. Back in there. I'm not coming back to the back. And then the rear one is like this. See? Yeah, pretty clean. Not clean because it's clean, because it is. Yay! There's supposed to be a speaker there. Look at the reflection. I can see there's nothing from here. How? VW. Is it just me or all the other cars? Guys, whoever owns a Polo like this, does your car have speakers here? Or they scammed me? Please, please, please. Tell me. We still have time to return. You know I return. I'm not gonna return this one now. Hey guys, tell me. Some Hemen Cardon type of vibe. Where else do they always fake a speak? I'm sure even here now there's nothing. Where am I going to see? I won't be able to see. I won't be able to see. Yeah. My ride is like that, guys. I'll come back for the interior part. The interior picture. There. To the interior. The rear one. What else, guys? Please comment in the comment section, because I don't know what to show you, because not for me. This car is just normal. Yeah, there's nothing for me to show. There's nothing. But you guys know what you want to see regarding the interiors and stuff. Nah, I haven't started modifying. Wait for me to start. You will know me beautiful. Hey, I cannot be endorsing Coke. It's not like they pay me or something. So yeah, guys, that's it. That's my interior. I'll show you what you want to show when you want to see it. I don't know what to show you for now. That's it. I haven't added anything. It's all Polo. Let me start adding things and I'll come back to this showing part. No? How I. So, up to so far, that is all we have for this episode of Castings and Less. I mean, ask a beautiful great fans to Nkupi and Tina. I hope you enjoyed. Guys, I almost forgot before we leave. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel named Kucha Wax. Kucha Wax. There's a channel called Kucha Wax. Go subscribe to that channel. You will get everything about Kucha Wax. It's on the channel called Kucha Wax. Click the link in the description column of this video. It will take you straight to Kucha Wax channel. Click the link in the description column of this video. It will take you to Kucha Wax. Right now, let's start telling. Let's start telling. Why did I open the boot now? Why did I open the boot and not close it? Tabalare. Kiale chava. Chava le statel. And which door is open? Which door is open? Yeah. I think I can sail on this cluster. I don't want anything. Don't want anything. Oh, I was behind break. Guys, that's this side. Why is this thing on? What does it do? Yeah, how do I fix it? Again, safety belt.